Yes, good day guys. It's another section. Let me call this section 2 of moment of forces. And our last class was still under moment of force. We can call that section 1. And I want us to be more expectant under this topic because we will be having more sections under this moment of force. So please stay tuned. Firstly, the first class under this is under moment of force, which is WAEC questions, and this second one, this one we are about to deal with now, is also a WAEC, and after this we'll be doing more questions under JAMB questions. Yeah, JAMB questions after this section. Our next video will be on that JAMB. So please do well to stay tuned for more videos, and please subscribe so you can receive our notification for other classes. Thank you so much. Now, a body of mass, this is a question actually, so let's interpret this. It's another moment of force. A body of mass 58 grams is suspended at 20 centimeter mark of a uniform meter rule. The meter rule is adjusted. The meter rule is what? Adjusted on the pivot until it's settled horizontally at the 40 centimeter mark. Determine the mass of the meter rule. So if you are being seen question like this that should determine the mass of the meter rule, is one of the common questions that we see in under moment of force, because it's not something that is hard. It's very direct and simple question, but you must know the principle behind it. You understand? So let's solve this. This is a beautiful question, so let's solve. Okay, so how do we go about it? Let's interpret the question. So here we have okay, let's say solution. So under this solution we have now a body of mass 58 grams is suspended at what? 20 centimeter mark of a uniform. That means if they're talking about a uniform meter rule, we're talking about a straight meter rule with from 0 to 100. You understand? Now a body of 58 grams is suspended at 20 centimeter mark of the uniform meter rule. The meter rule is, now listen to that question, a body of 58 grams is suspended at 20 centimeter mark. That means from 0 to, let's assume this is 20, or let's put it here, from here to here is 20 centimeter mark. So that mass is being suspended here at what? 58 grams. You understand? So mark of the meter rule. So now the meter rule is adjusted on a pivot until it's settled horizontally. That means when this mass is being hung there, this meter rule was being adjusted on this pivot. This is the pivot until it is settled horizontally at 40 centimeter mark. That means when this thing settles is where we put this pivot. That means from here to here is 40 centimeter mark. But we all know, naturally, we all know that this can't be balanced because we only engage this side of this meter rule by mass, and we didn't engage this side at all. You understand? We all know later that this can be balanced. These are not stable equilibrium. Now, so what can we do now? They say that determine the mass of the meter rule. That means what you have to determine is the mass of this meter rule. That meter rule, which range from 0 to what? 100. So how can we do this? How are we about to do this? Now, note something. In case if you meet this kind of question anywhere outside there, whenever you are being asked to calculate the mass of the meter rule, we believe that there is a mass that this meter rule is engaging itself with that we don't know. You understand? There's a mass that this meter rule is engaging itself with. We don't know, because if there's a force that is pulling this one, that means there's a mass at this part. And we always know that the center of this meter rule is 50. But this, we claim that this meter rule balance at 40 centimeter. Now, that means the center of this ruler should be somewhere here. Let's assume this is 50 centimeter mark. Now, the mass of that ruler is always perpendicular to the center of the ruler. Now, let me take that again. The mass of uniform meter rule is always perpendicular to the center of the meter rule. That means this place is 50, which is the center of the ruler. That means we have the mass here. Please, you have to take note of that. Very, very important. So now, what is the perpendicular distance from this point to the point of pivot? What's the perpendicular distance? That means if this place to this place is 40, that means this place to this place is what? 10 centimeter. This won't be in your question. You must know how to interpret questions under moment of forces. Very, very important. Now, let's come back to this first aspect. We know that this place is 20. We know that this place is 40. This is 20 centimeter away. If you watch our former video, you understand this. This is 20 meter away from the pivot. In our last class, you know how we define moment of force. So the moment of force is the moment of a force about a point. And that point always stands for the point of pivot, where it obtains its point of equilibrium. You understand? So here we have the 20 centimeter away, which is not the distance we need. We need the distance from where the mass is suspended to the point of pivot. Neither is 40. That means for you to get the distance from here to here, it will be 40 minus 20. 40 minus 20. So here now, we can actually work this out by applying what we know as the principle of the moment of force, which he said the moment of force at the anticlockwise is also the same thing as the moment of force at what? At the clockwise. That is F times M for anticlockwise is also the same as the force applied times what? The distance apart. M means the distance. So see the same thing. You understand? So that would be, what's the F here suspended is 58 times the mass suspended there times 40 minus that is 20 equal to this force M times the distance apart, which is 10. So that will give us 1160 equal to what? 10 F, which is the mass. So divide by 10, divide by 10. So our force applied here, or the mass applied here, will be given as what? As 116 gram. I believe this is given in gram, while this one will also be what? In gram. And I told you how to convert from gram to Newton. So it's also the same the mass as the what? As the force applied. So I believe we all understand this. Thank you. We expect you for more videos. Enjoy your day.